Bonjour my beautiful people, I'm here for a very quick video. If you're struggling and stretching your relaxers and your new growth is mad at you, doesn't want to cooperate, you have a lot of problem, and I got you. Yes, I got you. So today I'm sharing a very simple, quick recipe with you. And tomorrow I will be washing my hair, but today, like we are already in the afternoon, I'll be using this method like to melt my new group, literally melting them. So let me show you quickly how you can prepare this beautiful shea butter with your oil and how to make it very nice and smoothie. You see? How beautiful. And I put it on my skin. Look at that. I put it on my skin and it melt. Yes. So let's go straight into the video. I'm so excited about today. Yes, I am. See you. Get yourself some shea butter and adding it in a glass bowl, and make sure you use a double boiler to melt it. When you finish to melt it, go ahead and add your favorite oil. I add 3 and 1 of my essential favorite oil, and I use a saran wrap to close the top and pop it in my fridge or freezer, anything you want. And after that couple of hours, that's what you end up with, and you just whip it up. It may take a bit of time, but after half an hour you will end up with a beautiful butter. Okay guys, now you see how I made this oil, and I will show you how I use it. It's a very simple method. All you have to do is to concentrate this butter on your new growth, and you will see how the hair will melt. And this is a very good pre-poo, like I'm using for a while now to straighten my relaxers. I'm like 13 weeks post relaxer, so I really want to stretch my relaxer for 20 to 22 weeks, and that will be, if I achieve that, that will be the longest stretch I ever had. So let me show you very quick how to melt that baby into your new growth. See, don't be afraid to be generous. And you can apply it directly to your scalp, because this will be so good for your scalp, because it doesn't have any chemical in it. It's just pure shea butter. And if you have dandruff, you want to stimulate growth, you want to moisturize your new growth, any type of situation, that's so affordable, so cheap, so you don't need a special product for that. And I absolutely love it. As you know, how shea butter is a great ingredient when it comes to hair care, skin care. And also this butter, you can use it on your skin if you want to, but the way it is, I will add it to anything. Like if I'm making a hair mask, I'm making some hot oil treatment. Like usually I make a hot oil treatment, but today I would just pre-poo with that, put it on my scalp and leave it there. If you have dry scalp, hair is stubborn to grow back, just put it to it. Lather your scalp with shea butter, and you will see, you'll be amazed of the result. So now let's try detangling. Don't forget your ends. And yes guys, that what is for today, and I'm very glad like I share my special tip with you. And if you really enjoyed that video and you want more, I'm asking you please kindly to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to give a thumbs up, but also to leave a comment if you have a special recipe you use when you're switching your relaxers. So today that's it. I'll be putting my scarf on. I can go to bed. I will put in my scarf on and go to bed, get my hair ready for tomorrow. And tomorrow I'll be doing my shampoo and my deep conditioning. And I will see you very soon in another video. Bye.